I'm Kerry Force and I'm the principal at Orere Primary School. It's a small rural school, about 40 minutes from Papakura. We currently have 43 children and we live 5 minutes from the ocean. I am a first-time principal. It's been an exciting 6 months. When I arrived here, they had just had stable internet for 6 months. So there's been a long history of not using the internet because it was unstable. The staff sort of didn't have faith in computers and those sorts of things, so they tended to revert back to the old way of doing things with pen and paper and those sorts of things, so planning and all that sort of stuff. The best option for us was to go on the cloud because we needed to weigh up how we were going to use the money, and the best way to use the money that we had was on devices and the technology, and we couldn't do that if we had to manage a server. We are fully on the public cloud and we have full remote support. Going on the cloud fully meant that we weren't going to have to pay someone all the time to come out here. There's also that option, say if we needed just one computer to be worked on, we could courier it in and out. So it's quite adaptable in that sort of way. I think the biggest thing is having people in New Era who understand how schools run. Schools are really different to businesses, and the way we want things to work is quite specific in education, and I think you need that understanding to be able to facilitate that. So that was good. New Era has people on board that are ex-teachers and DPs and those sorts of things. So they have an understanding of what education is and what it needs, but then they have the IT gurus who have all the knowledge to facilitate that. But we've been on the cloud for 10 weeks. And we've not had one issue. There's been nothing, no issue at all. The internet's been stable. We've changed our student management system to a better system. We're now using NZCER for assessment, EASTL, so the children are now doing online assessments that are adaptive. The school's now able to use data from top end to bottom to make decisions about what we're doing. So that's led to changing our goals across the school, our target students, looking at the types of assessment and learning we're doing. All of that's come about by actually thinking about how we use the internet and how we use the technology we've got available to us now that it's there and can be used. Yeah, so it's changed everything.